Hey, I'm Adam, your math coach. Let's solve this SAT question. Let m be an even integer. How many possible values of m satisfy this inequality? The square root of m plus 7 is less than or equal to 3. If you want to give this problem a try, pause the video. Let's see how we can solve this. So, well, first of all, we could look at the possibility that they are equal. So, square root of m plus 7 would be equal to 3. When can it happen? Well, we take the raise this whole thing to the second power. So this and that cancels. M plus 7 would be equal to 3 to the second power, this is 9. We solve for m. Subtract 7. Oh, subtract 7. M is 2. Okay, so we know if m is 2, then this square root of m plus 7 would be equal to 3. Okay, so let's see the other possibility. What if this square root of m plus 7 is less than 3? Well, it's actually easy to solve because we know that m is an even integer. So m is 2. M is 2 is a solution. What is the next one? This is less than 2 and an even integer. This is 0. It's actually an even integer because 0 plus 7, square root of 7, I don't know what it is, but it's less than 3 because we know that square root of 9 is 3. So we can go further. What is an even integer? Well, negative 2 minus 2. It is divisible by 2. It's an even integer. Not a positive even integer, but an even integer. Minus 2 plus 7, square root of 5. I don't know what it is. It is less than 3. Go further. Negative 4. Square root of 3, less than 3. Negative 6. Square root of 1. 1 is less than 3. Go further. Negative 8. Well, not quite yet. Negative 8 plus 7. So 7 minus 8 is negative 1. Square root of negative 1. Well, that's not really a real number. So we can't define this inequality at m equals 8. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 solution. That is, it's B again. That is, answer is D. Answer is 5. Okay. Let's have a look at a similar one. You can solve this using the same method. Give it a try. So let's see. N is an odd integer. So what is okay, when the square root of m plus 5, when does equal to 4? Raised to the second power. These cancels. M plus 5 equals to 4 squared, that's 16. Subtract 5, that's 11. So when n is 11, square root of m plus 5 equal to 4. Again, we are going to look at the when these square root would be less than 4. N is an odd integer. We just go write down the odd integers that are less than 11, and actually Actually, what? Okay, we see that this problem is a bad one because they don't have a good solution because I just copied this from somewhere. But no problem. We don't need solutions. We can we can make our own ones. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 possible values because negative 5 plus positive 5 is 0. 0 is less than 4. Negative 7, it will be negative 2. That's no good. So we have 9 possible values for n. Yeah, you you won't you won't find this kind of in the SAT. There will be always good answers. It won't be like that. Okay, but have you managed to solve it anyway? Tell me in the comment section. If you want to see more problems like this, check out my other videos. These are the one waiting for you in the description.